Maternity leave for women PG medical students remains unsolved as before. NMC direction is not helpful. Leave for PG resident doctors maternity leave. Medicos disappointed with the NMC's notice. Hello medical PG students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In a recent notification, the Medical Commission says that stipend will be payable to women postgraduate medical students during the extended period as the same is not paid during the maternity leave period. Doctors say basically it is a unpaid leave. There is no maternity benefit at all. Even though the NMC regulation stipulates that stipend as well as the leave shall be granted on par with the state government policy, no state government has framed a strict regulation in the matter of these issues. Some institutions are paying stipend during the maternity leave and some are paying during the extended period. But doctor says that there are some institutions which do not pay any stipend either during the period of maternity as well as the extended period. There are so many court cases in which the court observed that the maternity benefit shall be extended to all people, whether they are employees or students, PG students. But in reality, there is no such yardstick followed by the state governments, and therefore the maternity benefit is denied to the women PG medical students. In a court case, the court ruled that any discrimination or different treatment by the government by virtue of any rule denying the maternity benefit was unreasonable and violated the dignity of the woman and her fundamental rights and human rights. Similarly, in a court case where a medical doctor, that is employee, refused maternity leave, the court observed like this. Delivery gives birth not only to a child but also a mother as well. It is not confined to humankind but applies to all the creatures in the universe. Motherhood is common to all creatures as it is evident from the love and affection and care shown by the mother of all creatures to their newborn. Not only the newborn but the reborn mother also requires nurturing care, affection and proper rest so that she could look after the child very well by feeding the child, said the Madras High Court. The judge observed the above observation, further said there is no substitute for mother's milk in the world and even the so-called divine nectar could not be equal to mother's milk. Anybody could take care of the mother, whereas it is only the mother who could take proper care of the child. Therefore, it is the duty of the government or employers to grant sufficient and required maternity holidays for women government employees or workers during the pre- and post-delivery period, the judge added. It is disheartening to note that in spite of the woman's right to conceive a child, they are denied the benefits which they are entitled to under law by the patriarchal society. Having a law is of no use unless the benefit is extended to deserving persons by the law. Even though this judgment is related to a employee doctor, it is equally applicable to the women PG students also because motherhood is common to mankind as well as all creatures in the world. What is a legitimate expectation by the PG women students are that the National Medical Commission should come forward with a rigid policy of granting maternity leave and stipend to all medical universities across the country with a uniform policy. There should not be any difference between the states to states, institution to institution. This is a general issue and NMC should come forward to frame laws to the benefit of these PG women students. Thanks for watching. For updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.